Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, at the workbench, with the Stanley Number Four Type 19 with an Oddity. An Oddity? Yes, an Oddity. So, in the coin world, if you have a coin that gets double struck, it becomes more valuable. If you happen to buy a car and for some reason they put the wrong engine in it, and you've got a Corvette engine in a different car, it becomes more valuable. Well, this plane has an Oddity. It's just a Type 19, nothing tremendously special about it, except either someone was asleep at the wheel or new on the job, or they hadn't figured out that they need to do a certain process one way all the time. So, can you see the Oddity? Get the light just right. Let me see. Come on. There it is. Can you see it? Stanley is imprinted on the lateral upside down. So, if you're a collector and you like oddities, the Japanning on this is nearly 100%. The blade was basically, when I got it, it had been used maybe once. So I reground it, reshaped it, and honed it. I did test the sole for flatness, which is not a big problem. If you're a collector and you want to get some of the old patina back, I can tell you how to do that. Or if you want to flatten it all the way and use it. Works fine. Knob and tote are 100%. Well, they're solid and they could use a refinishing, but I don't think you'd have to strip them. I would say maybe a wash with some mineral spirits and a fresh coat of I like to use the wipe on poly, but you could use whatever you like. So if you're interested in a Type 19 with the vertical stamp upside down, let me know. These are all up for adoption. Check out my other video. That's about all. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.